Right guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got Robbo's RX7 in. You've probably seen it many times down here before, getting worked on, and you've definitely seen it at some shows letting off that two-step. So he's come in today because he's managed to blow the back end of the turbo pretty much clean off the actual housing. So we've got a brand new turbo to fit, new manifold, new wastegates and 2 screamer pipes to fit. So it's going to be a fruity one. Let's get to it. Right then guys, so we've got the manifold and the hot side of the turbo in now. I've had to take the wastegates and screamers off temporarily just to get them in a nice fit. They're a bit niggly to get in as a full complete unit. So now all we've got left to do on this part is tighten the nuts on the manifold to the block, get the compressor side of the turbo on, get the wastegates and screamer pipes on, plumb it all in, and yeah, we'll make some noise afterwards, so it's going to be fun. Right guys, so the wastegates are all in now, the screamers are situated in position, so that's all tight. We've just got a little bit of plumbing in to do on the wastegates and get the downpipe on, and then it's over today on the dyno, make some power and make some noise out of these screamer pipes. Right guys, so before we hand it over to D, we're going to do a quick oil and filter, as we'll always recommend before a dyno session. We're also going to put some new spark plugs in, so it's got the best chance at getting the most power. Let's get it over to D and let's get some boost flowing through it. Right guys, so we've just finished the dyno session with D. As you can see, it's all off the dyno, outside and ready to collect. It's made 330 wheel horsepower at gate pressure only, so that's to get him to Belgium. He's picking it up in the morning, driving all the way over to Belgium. Hopefully he's going to come back with some awards. Once he's back, we're going to have it back in the dyno and we're going to have it on the electronic boost controller, making a hell of a lot more power. So stay tuned for the next one.